Hey everyone, I'm Ethan for Ethan's Woodshop Review, and today I'm checking out the DeWalt 13-inch planer. This planer is really heavy duty. Nice solid build, so you don't get a lot of movement when you're working, and folds up nice for easy shop storage. Large, easy to grip handle, height measurement, on-off, removal gauge, 2-speed feet adjustment option, and sets for your standard thicknesses. The 2-speed option is a great feature. You can either go 96 cuts per inch for dimensional or 179 per inch for finished planing. Grabs the material well and holds it in place strongly. And the 3-knife cutter head gives you a clean board while extending the life of your knives. Fan-assisted chip ejection gets the wood out fast and into the vacuum, keeping your interior from jamming. Thanks for watching. I'm Ethan for Ethan's Woodshop Review. Like, comment, and subscribe to check out more tool reviews.